केसरिया बालम आवोनी वधारोनी मारे देश रे वधारोनी मारे.
This COVID-19 crisis has left most of us disheartened and knocked down our every holiday plannings. Virtual world is what we are living in right now. So wouldn't it be a great idea to have a journey that is completely virtual? Rajasthan, oftentimes perceived as miles and miles of barren, deserted patch of India by those who feel themselves in seeing through and they head towards the oasis of culture, royalty, sterling food, heritage and whatnot. Via air, reaching Rajasthan from Assam, it might take us about 3 to 6 hours depending on the location. And via railways, it can take approximately 36 hours or roughly around 2 days. The state covers an area of 3,42,239 km square or 10.4% of the total geographical area of India, with a population of 6.98 crores as of 2012. Its capital city is Jaipur. It is the largest Indian state by area and 7th largest by population.
The state Rajasthan in India is commonly known as the Land of Kings. It was the site of Indus Valley civilization. The famous Mauryan king Ashoka made a stupa in Viratnagar, which had been demolished but remains are still present at the site. After Mauryans, the area came under Shaka and Kushan kingdoms. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated the invading Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tarain in 1191. At the beginning of the 13th century, the most prominent and powerful state of Rajasthan was Mewar. Then the Mughal Emperor Akbar expanded the empire into Rajputana in the 16th century CE. Since the early 1700s, the Maratha Empire began expanding northwards, led by Peshwa Bajirao of Pune. This expansion finally brought the newly founded Maratha Empire in contact with the Rajputs. Rajasthan saw many invasions by the Marathas under military leadership of Holkars and Scindias.
In northwestern India is generally arid or semi-arid and features fairly hot temperature over the years with extreme temperature in both summer and winter, though it varies from region to region, hence has a diverse nature of climate.
We have known quite a lot about the place itself, but now let's talk about its people.
First of all, let me start with Pagri, means turban. Pagri is one of the most important parts of the male's attire in Rajasthan, as it defines their social and economic status. Now, secondly, I will continue with Angrakha. The upper garment is called Angrakha, which means protecting the body. Angrakha is made of cotton. And lastly, I will conclude with Dhoti, means pajama. Dhoti or pajama are used to cover the lower portion of the body. We have attained some knowledge about their clothing. Now let's learn about their food habits. Rajasthan cuisine is also influenced by the Rajputs, who are predominantly non-vegetarian. Their diet consisted of game meat and dishes like lal mas, that is meat in red gravy, safed mas, that is meat in white gravy, and etc. Their cuisine has its own world of diversity.
Now, let's talk about the female attire. Ghagra and Choli. This long skirt has a narrow waist and board base reaching just above the ankles, covering the lower portion of the body. Orni. Orni is worn over the blouse with one end stuck into the skirt and the other end on the head or the shoulder. Let's talk about the occupation of Rajasthan. Agriculture is the main occupation of Rajasthani people in Rajasthan. Major crops of Rajasthan are jowar, bajri, maize, rice, wheat, etc. agriculture was the most important element in the economic life of the people of medieval Rajasthani.
Rajasthan is not only rich in heritage but also is rich in diverse nature of its flora and fauna, which will be evident to you once you visit it.
Rajasthan has so much to offer to us. Its capital city Jaipur can alone blow your minds.
Jaipur, also referred to as the Pink City, is home to places like Amber Palace, Hawa Mahal, a lot of great universities, and etc. etc.
To some extent, the list of watchworthy places in Rajasthan are endless.
It is not possible for us to discuss all, though we wish we could.
Instead, we'll be focusing on few but the prestigious ones.
We will start with Hamirgarh Eco Park, Rajasthan. Hamirgarh is a taluka in the Bhilwara district of Rajasthan. It is a historical town and well known for textile industries. Legend has it that old name was Banklora and changed into current name after Rana Hamir Singh of Mewar Kingdom. There is a temple of goddess Mahishashur Mardini Mata atop hill.
Bhangar Fort. If you are a horror fanatic like me, you'd definitely be interested in this one. And yes, India's most haunted place is located here in Rajasthan. Built in the year 1631, the place is supposedly haunted by various entities, one of them being its Princess Ratnavati. I got goosebumps just by saying that. It's one of those places which can act as a fascinating fantasy, but facing it is not really recommended.
The Albert Hall Museum in Jaipur is the oldest museum of the state and functions as the State Museum of Rajasthan, India. The building is situated in Ram Nivas Garden outside the city wall, opposite New Gate.
Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal was completely built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, the grandson of Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. Hawa Mahal's unique attraction is its 953 windows that is mainly known as Zarokas, decorated with intricate work. Hawa Mahal got the name from its fifth floor, which was called as Hawa Mandir. Hawa Mahal was designed by Lal Chand Ustad. Presently, the mahal is maintained by Archaeological Department of the Government of Rajasthan. If I start going into the details, it seems never-ending. Just the video display of it has left me in awe. This is an unmissable one when in Rajasthan.
We have got the idea of how rich the culture and heritage of Rajasthan is.
We will take you to a small journey and try to entertain you all ourselves.
To give you the full essence, we also tried to look one of Rajasthan's own kind.
उलझी जाए टूटी बाजू बंदरी लूं लड़ उलझी जाए मारे पचरंगी लहरिया को पल्लो लहराए मारे पचरंगी लहरिया को पल्लो लहराए धीरे झालो रे बावरिया हाले हालो रे बावरिया झालो सयो नहीं जा धीरे झालो
We appreciate you watching till the very end and being with us on this amazing journey. This, though, is just a sneak peek into the eminence of this mighty land, the land of Veers and Viranganas, Rajasthan.
Thank you for patiently being with us.